Hello, in this video I will show you how you can enable text-to-speech on OnePlus Nord 5. So first of all you have to open the settings. From here go to accessibility and convenience. Now open accessibility section and go to vision. Now open select to speak and from here you have to turn on shortcut. Click allow and here you have to select accessibility button or volume keys. So let's take accessibility button for example, and from now you have this button on your screen. Now go back and in the text to speech settings you are able to change preferred engine, language. Also you can select language from this list, and adjust speech rate and pitch. So now if you want to use text to speech, just simply open this accessibility button and now you have to select the text that you want by simply dragging it just like that.
Select to speak. Tap a feature to start using it. Select to speak. Here selected text read aloud.
As you can hear, it's reading the text. So you just simply have to enable text to speech by clicking the button.
Display.
And it's reading. Also you can stop it by clicking this button, this red button over here, and as you can see, it stopped. So basically that's all. Thanks for watching and subscribe.